Good morning, students. Students of class 4, welcome to the next session of your computer classes. In today's session, we would be starting with the new chapter, that is chapter number 7, changing background and styles. This would be the new chapter. This chapter is based on the programming language Scratch. We had covered up two chapters on the Scratch topic itself, where we had studied about the program. We had studied about the different parts of the Scratch window. We studied about Sprite, how we can use the scripts, and we have done a little bit programming in which we had made this Sprite move. We had made the Sprite to rotate. So we had done some simple tasks by using the program. Now here in this chapter, we are talking about how we can change the background of the stage. That is the stage on which the sprite moves. In the stage where the sprite moves, we are talking about the background. The background, that means the back side of the window on which the sprite stands. So how we can change the background, how we can put up new pictures, new background on the stage, how we can import. Import means if we have saved some picture which is in your drive, in your computer drive, you want to recall that picture onto the stage, yes, you can do that. You have to import. That's the import. That means you are getting that picture from somewhere onto the program or into the program. That's import. Okay, so here you will be studying about how you can change the background with already pre-existing background styles which are given in the with the program. You can select the background which are already installed in the program. Secondly, you can import the import the backgrounds, import the picture which is saved in your computer memory or from internet or somewhere. You can import them. Okay, so these are the points which we are going to talk about. So the first will be in this topic is how you can add a background. Add background on the stage. So let's say if this is a whiteboard is your stage, right now the background is a white color. Okay, if what happens if I put some picture on this, these content will be shown over that picture, but on the back side which is white, if I put some picture on it, then I am adding a background to the stage. This will be the topic. Secondly, if you have added some background, how you can change that background. This will be the next topic which we will cover today. How you can change the background. If you have imported, if you have put some picture on the background, if you didn't like it, if you want to remove or if you want to change that picture due to some cause, then how you can change the background. Then the topic which I was talking, that is importing the pictures for the background. That is the background style which is being pre-installed in the program. If you don't like them, if you don't want to use them, you want to use some picture or some scenery of your own which is saved in your computer or you have seen on some internet. If you want to put that on the background, that is also allowed. You have to import that picture. That means wherever it is being saved or where it is being located, from that location to the location in Scratch, you have to bring that file from that location onto Scratch. So that is also being done by Scratch. The topic is known as importing the picture for the background. Then once you have that, you can paint a new background also. That means you can draw the background by using some colors or some shapes. By using some shapes, colors and some graphic styles, you can create your own background. That is how you can paint a new background of your own which is not available in some computer memory or not over internet. You want your own. So some students will have some red colors and some sprinkling stars, some photos of a moon. So something like that. You can draw your own background, and that's the topic which we'll be dealing with. Is it painting or paint a new background? Once you have done that, we have another option, that is camera. Yes, you can simply click a picture and you can use that picture as a background also. Like if I'm right now using a phone, I can click a picture and I can use this, or the picture which you will get like this, I can use this part as the background also. So we have different styles of providing the background onto the stage. We can add the background which are already pre-installed in the Scratch program. We can change that background also. We can import the background from some memory location or from internet. We can paint a new background by your own. We can click a picture from the camera which can be used as the background. Okay. Then we can change the background by using different tools also. Then we will be studying about pen block. Yes, this block is available in your block palette. Now pen block, what does it say? Whenever your sprite will move, pen block commands or pen block instructions make a line as the sprite moves. Okay, now let's say this sprite is moving from this position to this. Let's say the sprite has moved from this, so it will draw a line behind the movement of the sprite. Now that line can be colorful. Okay, so it will be like a tail. As the sprite will move, it will be like a tail that is being leading from the point 1 to the end point of the sprite. It will move along it. It will draw a line as the sprite will move. So this is the pen block which is available in your block palette. We will be using this block palette command, and we will be making a project in which the sprite moves, and as soon as the sprite moves, the line also being drawn after it. So we will have the pen block, and we can change the size of the line. The line which is drawn after the movement of the sprite, we can make it thin, we can make it thick. We can change its color, we can make it changing color again and again. So all these options or all these variations can be done by using the pen block palette. Okay, so these are the topics which is being covered under chapter number 7, that is changing background and styles. I hope that the briefing has been understood, and we will be covering up the same topics from the book in our upcoming videos. I would request kindly watch the videos, and in case of any doubts, any queries, can put up on the WhatsApp group. We will be happy to revert you as soon as. For today, I would request to watch the upcoming videos, and thank you. Would request also, be safe and use the safety measures during this pandemic time period. Thank you. Good day.